Jammu and Kashmir voted in record numbers for its maiden district development elections, marking the first electoral exercise for the Union Territory since the abrogation of Article 370.
First phase of DDC elections are underway and the polling is taking place across Kashmir, rather Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, what is interesting this time in the election is the marking on the ballot box that it shows the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. This is the decision that the Government of India took on 5th of August last year, that bifurcation of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. In fact, this polling is underway in many of the stations in Pulwama also, where the people are coming out to vote. We are reporting from one of the polling stations. In fact, this is a triangular context between the People Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, BJP, and also our party of Altaf Bukhari.
43 constituencies and 1,475 candidates were in the poll fray for phase 1 of the election.
The vote is my democratic right. I voted for the development, I voted for the peace, I voted for the prosperity. We have been looking for this election. This election has nothing political, it is absolutely election for the development.
Despite Pakistan's repeated attempts to disrupt the democratic process, Jammu and Kashmir witnessed a record turnout of 51.76% as the polling process concluded smoothly.
There's a huge rush here in the polling station where the people had come early morning to cast their vote. In fact, this is the first time when such kind of exercise is being carried by the Government of India post abrogation of Article 370. We need to remember that the People Alliance for Gupkar Declaration, all these political parties have come together to keep the communal forces away that they call BJP. And in fact, BJP is also quite sure that they will win the maximum number of seats, particularly from the Kashmir. Needs to be seen that how the day will pan out, but as of now, the elections, the process is on, the polling is on. In fact, 1,475 candidates are in fray in Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu's West Pakistani refugees cast their vote in the local election for the first time since the abrogation of Article 370.
The biggest political exercise post-abrogation of Article 370 and 35 Alpha in the Jammu and Kashmir has begun today with the first phase of District Development Council elections taking place. And the main important thing here is that the West Pakistani refugees are now casting their vote. They have got their rights to cast vote for the local elections here in Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier, they used to cast vote for the parliament election, but they don't have the rights to cast the vote for the assembly elections or the local elections.
The article was a blot on the preamble and our freedom set one voter.
मैं सिर्फ इक्वालिटी की बात करूंगी, आज आके जस्टिस की बात करूंगी, जो फ्रेटर्निटी जो बात बोली जाती है ना, जो 3 वर्ड्स हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बोले जाते हैं, वो आज सर सही मायने में पूरे हुए हैं. इक्वालिटी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इक्वालिटी की बात की जाए तो हम आज इक्वल हुए हैं सबके साथ मिलके. दूसरी बात जस्टिस की बात की जाए तो हमें 70 साल में आज आके जस्टिस मिला है. और तीसरी बात जब फ्रेटर्निटी की बोले जाए ना, तो आज हमें लग रहा है कि हम ब्रदरहुड है, कि एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है ब्रदरहुड. हमें वहाँ पहले ऐसा कभी फील ही नहीं हुआ आके. जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस में जो वर्ड दिए गए हैं ना, उनका जो सही मतलब है वो आज हमें आके वोट डाल के जो ये वोट डाला गया ना, उसके बाद प्रूव हो रहा है.
BJP leader Anurag Thakur has hailed the election as an important step towards strengthening democracy.
First, thank Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister, for taking a decision to hold elections in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. He always wanted to strengthen the democracy through the Panchayati Raj institutions. And I'm sure after the Sarpanch elections, after the BDC elections, now the District Development Council elections are very, very important to strengthen the democracy at the grassroots level. We want to do the development work through the elected representatives.
Phase 1's voter turnout indicates that the centre's move to abrogate Article 370 is finally coming into fruition. Bureau Report, Republic TV.